We have this new Viva Home mixer, and the first thing I'm going to make with it is some cornbread. We're going to make it in our cast iron skillet and put it in the oven. So the first thing I did was set my oven to 400 degrees. We're going to need some flour. We're going to need cornmeal. We're going to need sugar, a little bit of salt, some baking powder, some butter, an egg, and milk. So the first thing we want to do is spray a little bit of cooking Pam in the cast iron skillet. So we're going to use 1 cup of flour, 1 cup cornmeal, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Now that we have all our dry ingredients in, we're going to lower this and we're just going to mix our dry ingredients together. So we'll just kind of, oh, look at that. That's nice. It's quiet. Just mix them all together so the sugar and the cornmeal and the flour all blend a little bit. That's on 4. All right, we're not gonna go any higher than that for this part. Now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1 large egg, lastly 1 cup of milk, and then we're going to beat this all together. It's still going to be a little lumpy. You don't want to overbeat it. Just beat it until it's all combined nice and not smooth, but not super lumpy. Here we go.
4 years.
Just pour the batter in your pan. Now that it's all in there nice and smooth, we're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean and it's nice and golden brown on top. Man, does that look good. We're going to let this cool and we're going to slap some butter on that and call it a biscuit.